In a time of major change and deregulation, the plumbing industry has not been immune. New methods and new procedures now ensure a more highly skilled and knowledgeable workforce. And that has to mean a satisfied consumer. When it comes to gas installation, there's a simple blueprint for this success. The AG 601 Gas Installation Code. The Gas Installation Codebook will help ensure that all gas appliances have the correct pressure and volumes of fuel gas. It delivers an easy solution to installation issues, right from the early planning stage. And using the codebook as your guide, you just do it by the book. Whatever type of installation, it's the same simple process. When planning a new installation or adding a gas appliance to an existing gas installation, you need to be sure the meter capacity is sufficient. For an existing installation, first check the data plate on the meter. Here it's 6 cubic metres per hour. Add the gas consumption of all the appliances. You'll find the details on the data plate of each appliance. In this case, it's 145 megajoules per hour. Confirm the heating value of the gas you're using. In this case, natural gas. Now, apply this simple formula. In this example, we're installing a continuous flow hot water service rated at 188 megajoules per hour. So we just add this to the total consumption of all other appliances and divide by the heating value. And there's your answer. Since the existing meter on this job will only pass 6 cubic metres per hour, you'll need a larger meter. It's all so simple when you follow the formula. When it comes to pipe sizing, good planning is vital. So liaise with the builder or owner. Then do it by the book, and you'll correctly size consumer gas piping every time. In this example, the meter is located at the building. First, you need to know the type of gas. In this case, natural. Then, check the gas consumption of each appliance. You also need to establish the pressure available at the start of the consumer piping. Then confirm the allowable pressure drop. For natural gas in Victoria, this is 0.075 kPa. And once more, you need to know your pipe material. So now, sketch the layout of the consumer piping system, including all piping lengths and the location of each appliance. And determine in metres the length of the main run from the meter to the furthest appliance. The rest is easy. Prepare a chart for pipe sizing indicating the pipe section, the gas flow in megajoules per hour, and nominal pipe size. Then do it by the book. Select the correct pipe sizing table from your AG 601 codebook. It's easy. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Know the allowable pressure drop, know your pipe material, and know the type of gas. Here, that means you use table F1. In this case, the main run length is 20 metres. Keep in mind that the main run length is a critical measurement. It's one which will be used throughout your pipe sizing calculations. The figures in the 20-metre column are the maximum permissible flows of natural gas for the pipe size indicated. Your pipe sizing chart indicated the first section needed 377 megajoules per hour flow of gas. Follow the column down until you reach that figure or the next highest. Reading horizontally to the nominal size column, we see the pipe size is 40 millimetres. So enter it on the chart. And repeat this for all the other sections. It works every time. Here, the meter is at the property line. So it may be more economical to use UPVC below ground in accordance with Section 3 and Clause 4.12 of AG 601. Again, you sketch it all out. Copper pipe would be used for the above ground meter and appliance connections. Keep in mind that the underground section BF is UPVC. Above ground, the piping is copper. Confirm the details you need to know. Then, prepare your pipe sizing chart for the copper sections. Select the correct pipe sizing table from your AG 601 codebook. Again, this is based on the pressure drop, the piping material, and the type of gas. And the rest is easy. Size the copper section using the F1 table, and for the below ground sections of the main run in UPVC, knowing the pressure drop, the piping material and the type of gas, it's table F16. Once you've found the right table, choosing the right pipe sizing is easy. You can't go wrong with your gas installation codebook. It's a blueprint for success. It works for natural gas, and it works for LP gas systems too. Start sizing from the plans. This is a single-stage system designed to operate at a pressure of 2.75 kPa. Confirm the installation details and sketch the consumer piping layout. Follow the formula. Just follow those 3 simple steps. And do it by the book, which in this case tells us we use table F21. Single stage or 2-stage, it's all the same. Size off the plans. In this case, we'll look at a 2-stage system with more appliances and a bulk storage tank, which means smaller pipe sizes and a higher pressure drop of 10 kilopascals for the first stage. So it's back to the codebook. Prepare your pipe sizing chart. And once more, follow the formula, which gives us table F38. To size the second stage, we just size the appliances from the second stage regulator the same way as a single stage installation. And you know the rest. What you need to know before you start: and the information you need to choose the right pipe sizing table. In Victoria, success now comes down to this simple blueprint. Watch this video, consult your codebook, and regularly check your newsletter, The Registered Plumber, for updates. The Plumbing Industry Board would like to thank Ream Hot Water and the Office of Gas Safety for their financial support in the production of this video.
It's the hot stuff, hot water you've ever seen. Oh, baby! It comes out steady, hot and strong. It just keeps on and on. It just keeps on and on. Installer Ream. Installer Ream.
Now is probably a good time to take a moment and recap how easy those pipe sizing solutions can be. For example, remember that section where we used UPVC below ground and copper for the meter upstand and appliance connections? For the UPVC section, after sketching your plan and consulting your AG 601 codebook, you choose Table F16. Now, prepare your pipe sizing chart. Here's how the full chart should look. And for the copper section, it looks just like this. You simply follow the formula. From your codebook, you use Table F1 and size the copper connections. So what about the LP gas sizing? Well, here's the plan for your single-stage system. As you can see, we use Table F21. And the rest is so easy. Again, we just follow the same procedure. Your pipe sizing charts for the two-stage system will end up like this. Start with Stage 1. Now follow the formula. That gives us Table F38. And here's your chart. While for the second stage, again we select the correct pipe sizing table from your AG 601 codebook. And using Table F21, we get this result. You know the rest. What you need to know before you start and the information you need to choose the right pipe sizing table. All you need in one simple blueprint.